Hi, everyone. I'm Avi Patel and glad to be on this webinar. I am the Chief Data Scientist at Fulton Bank.
Yeah, hi everyone. We're gonna do like this quick demo just to show you guys the art of possible out there and apply to finance. So here we have like a Streamlit app plugged into GPT-3 where we're gonna query financial documents. They're gonna be uploaded here. And the app's called the Busy Banker's AI Wingman because it's a wingman that will help bankers to, gain productivity analyzing financial documents. So here we're gonna do like a quick upload in like a financial document, an Apple 10K, and it's uploading, takes a few seconds, and pops up like a prompt. So let's prompt where in the document do I find the balance sheet? And we're prompting the LLM, and it's gonna come up with an answer. So this app, it does this information retrieval. So the balance sheet can be found in page 31 of Apple 10K. And here's like the chunk of text where the information got retrieved. And I have the document open here just to cross-check and show you guys where the balance sheet is. So we have like a financial statement. Let's see. Consolidated balance sheets. It's in page 31, and here it is. And let's do one more query. What do you say, Avi? We do like
Yeah, let's ask it to retrieve something like something specific, maybe a revenue or some number.
okay. What were net revenues in fiscal year 22? That's the year where we have the 10K, and here it is. I still get amazed by how LLMs perform.
Yeah,
And this
yeah,
is still GPT-3. We're not touching GPT-4 yet.
yeah.
So this app was prompt engineered, and it's been engineered to behave as a financial analyst that would analyze industry-related documents, which the industry we're talking about is finance, right? And here I'm gonna ask, and also instructed this app, the model with prompt engineering, to do a translation into English. So we can read pretty much any kind of like language, and we'll always translate to English. So here we have like, so I'm from Brazil, and this is like a company from there, a sustainability report from Alpargatas, like a company that sells like footwear, open footwear. I think it's market leader worldwide in open footwear. And here we have like in the document, the message from the CEO, right? So I'm gonna upload this and query the app to see what it throws to us. Alpargatas, here is. It takes a little bit longer, especially because we have a larger file here, 7.5 megabytes, but it wasn't that long. So summarize the message from the CEO.
So I guess, Raul, what's probably happening here is that it's taking multiple steps, right? Taking this prompt in English, going to a Portuguese document, right? So that it's then going to pull or translate this prompt into Portuguese and find the appropriate information or the answer, bring it back and translate it back into English. Does that
Yeah,
sound right?
yeah, it's right.
That's
You
great.
got it right, Avi. It's like it does this multiple task, and that's why we call generative AI, right?
Yeah.
Because so it can combine in a single application multiple
Yeah.
tasks that
Yeah.
would be before the scattercomb of LLMs, before they were split into several applications
Yeah.
and systems.
Yeah. It's unbelievable. Yeah. Yeah, and sometimes it's latency is going to be a challenge, right? And that's one of the things we got to keep in mind when we're
Yeah,
building the apps.
yeah,
It's getting better though. I mean, there's just so much advancement and improvement on a daily basis. There's so many really smart people working on overcoming some of these challenges such as latency and hallucination. And so we're going to be talking about, Raul's going to be talking about a whole lot of those things.
yeah. So we got an error here. So you retrieved the document well. Let's try to prompt.
Yeah,
Especially because of the iteration limit, but let's try to prompt better. That's an indication that we should prompt better. Summarize the message from the CEO, Beto, that's his name. So let's see if it does a better job.
it
So,
is.
so here it is. We got it right now. Beto's message that Alpa is a powerhouse global digital, and it's still haven't translated. It's like half translated. So you see here, they have invested in new center of innovation, and so and yeah,
Yeah,
pretty much the summarization what they
yeah.
have translated into English, and below here you have in Portuguese.